सब्सक्राइब करें मेरे इस चैनल को और प्रेस करें बेल आइकन ताकि मेरे हर एक वीडियो की नोटिफिकेशन सबसे पहले आपको मिले।
Hello guys, in today's lesson we will see how to create a parametric family in Revit. Okay, so to create a parametric family we will just take a look here in our Revit welcome screen interface, and there is a families option in the left side on the screen. So we will take a new we will just go in new. I'll take a template from here to create our family. So for example, I'm going to show you how to create a furniture table with parametric family. So I will take a furniture here, furniture system. I'll take a template of furniture system here from here, and let's just open. So this is the interface which opened on my screen. Okay, we are in reference level here. So first we have to create a reference plan. So let's just create a reference plan. Sorry, I'll delete this because it's created table by mistake, and this is our reference plan. I'll just use di enter, and I'll put some dimension here, the length and width. Okay, that's done. That's finished. Now I'll use equal to make it equal from the center. I'll select this. I'll click here just to equal. I'll have to check the first check the your unit. This is in millimeter now, and I'll just select this, make the parameter which will be our depth of the table, and this one make another parameter which will be our length. Okay, now we will just go to front elevation. I will make another reference plan. Sorry, I'm going to delete it, and I'll make it straight reference plan. Let's name height, this height, and this one make another parameter for HEISD height. Okay, another parameter for DI, use this top thick. Okay, which will be tabletop thick. Okay, again we will go back to reference level. I will create this. Let me shift this little bit here, so we will have a specific space to work here. Create extrusion. I'll just take rectangle. I'll use align tool here. Align, lock in place, align this one, lock in place, align this one, lock in place, align this one, and lock in place. There we go. For the finish. Now we will go on elevation. This is, we have to shift, we have to align, just align this. You can drag also, make it, I will just make it undo to show you. You can just drag it here and close. You can. Okay, but align is the best tool for me. Now it's closed. Now we will go back to reference level. I will create some more reference plan here for legs, of course. Okay, I'll just create, I'll take extrusion. Now I will just take the, sorry, I'll just have to type di enter, and this make undo. Let me make undo, go back. Okay, reference plan for legs, and then I will just have to enter di. Otherwise we can go from here also and annotate and use the dimension. Okay, and this one. Now we have to assign this. We have to create another parameter here for legs depth. Okay, now select this one and assign with this. Now it is assigned with this legs. Go to front elevation. Oh, sorry, go back to reference plan. We have to create first. Take extrusion, rectangle, align, lock in place, align, lock in place. If you will not use lock in place, so your parameter will not work properly. Create extrusion, use rectangle, lock in place, align here and lock in place, align, lock in place, align, lock in place, align and lock in place. Create another extrusion here, use align, lock in place, align, lock in place, align, lock in place, align and lock in place. Close. Here's another extrusion for the last fourth leg. Align, extrusion, align, extrusion, align, extrusion, align, extrusion. Close. Okay, here we go. Now we'll just go to front. We will just use align. Use this one, lock in place, align again. This other leg, lock in place, align again, lock in place, align this and lock in place. Now we will go in 3D view. Let's see what we have created. This is the table, realistic mode, and as you can see, the table is created now, but there is no any material assigned on this. So I will just create a parameter for material. We will go to reference plan back. We will just select this one and you will get this material option here in your left side and property bar. We'll just click here, make a new parameter and use the name of this parameter, for example top material. Okay, another one for sure, legs. We have legs material. Okay, now just go here, family types. In family types, now you will get all your parameter here, all your parameters whatever you have just created. Legs material, for example, we just create legs material. So now I will make another new material, for example wood. I will assign some wood on this and into this wood, and just look for wood here, some wood, for example this one I am going to assign on this and colors finish. And then we can copy, control C and V, control V, paste here. Now the material is changed. We can now adjust our table size here. For example, depth is 600 millimeter, height is 1200, not for sure 800, legs depth is 40 millimeter, for example, and length is 1200 millimeter. Top thickness, for example 30 millimeter, I'll give. Okay, and once we will go in our 3D view, you can see our table is created here like this, but the material on the legs is not yet implemented. So what we will do here, we will just select the 4 legs and we will assign this legs material here. Now it will work. So this is your table which has been created, and now you can change the sizes whatever you need. For example, you need 800 depth and length if you need 1500 for example, you can get this like this. If you want to change your height, for example you need 1 meter height, you can get this. If you need top thickness 100 millimeter, you can get it. I'll keep this as it is. Legs depth also you can decrease and increase. Okay, and that's it. You can save as this, by save as your family, and you can use this parameter in any of your project. It will work properly. So thank you guys, thank you for watching